students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So first question is the number of zeros of the polynomial y is equals to p of x in the given graph. This is the graph of y is equals to p of x. This is a curve, and zeros of the polynomial are all those points where this curve is giving us the output 0. Output 0 means value of y should be 0. So value of y is 0 at this point, correct? So this line, this entire line has y is equals to 0. So this line, wherever this line is intersecting the curve, at those points we'll find the zeros of the polynomial. So how many points where this line is cutting this curve? So there is 1 point, there is 2 point, and there is 3 point. So there are 3 number of zeros for this polynomial equation. So our correct answer will be option A. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.